What's up, guys? Good morning, or good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another vlog. Dude, I've been up since like 5:30 this morning. It is Saturday morning, and as you guys, I told you guys in the live stream yesterday that I was going to be heading to the lake today. Well, I had to wake up extra early to go move a crew and start them and stuff. Sorry, there's some people right here on bikes that I don't think they know what they're doing, but as I was saying, so I went, moved the crews and stuff. It is now about to be 11 o'clock in the morning, and my nephew and his friends and stuff are all going to come out, and we're going to all head to the lake. So should be a dope lake day today. I just ran a fruit grower supply again. I had to buy now more picking sacks because on Monday we start another crew in the plums, and it's just been hectic, dude. This morning was crazy. Like, if I tell you, what is that? Dude, if I tell you everything that went on this morning, it's seriously, like, it's insane. I had to, first of all, we started picking in 2 spots, right? There was 3 different crews, and the grower started freaking out because he thought that one block wasn't going to get finished, and the fruit was just going to be too ripe and it would just go to shit pretty much. So I ended up getting a call from the field man, and they're wanting another crew, and the other crew was already picking out another block. Dude, it was seriously, guys, it was just a mess. And so what I ended up doing was we had to take the other crew that had started on the other block, which the fruit wasn't really completely, like, it still has a little bit of days left before it needs to, like, absolutely get picked. So we took that crew out, went and picked them up. They followed me all the way over, like 2 towns over. It was a mess, but we got everything done, and it's all being taken care of now. So hell yeah. I'm all done for the day. This is one of the vlogs you guys have been waiting for, so here you have it, dude. I hope you guys enjoy this, man. Should be fun. I don't know if we'll get too crazy. It is cold out also, so yeah, but it should just be fun. Be a nice little lake day today. Already, Justin showed up. As you guys know, my neighbor, he just picked us up literally like, what, 30 minutes ago? Yeah, 30 minutes ago. Just picked it up. Brand new little cowie right here. Then we got the boat ready. I was actually just finishing it up right now. It's pretty much all ready to go though, so just waiting for the peeps to get here, and then gonna be taking off here soon. Let me grab that new rope, show you guys this new rope. It's pretty dope. It's a Pro Line 80-footer. Gonna be sick. Full length sand. You guys already know how that goes. Here it is, neon green. Sick. I need to get this thing out of here and ready. So there it is. You guys be ready, dude. It's gonna be sick. I probably won't get back on the camera until we are on our way, so I don't want to waste too much time talking. Get right to it. There's one of the dudes right there, Rudy, the OG. I know some of you guys were asking if this guy fired. Hey, did you fire the contractor?
Yeah.
You did?
Sent him home for after the day was done though.
Got Rudy, the OG, in the house. He's gonna be backing the truck in for me, but just gonna set it up for him right now. All right, as promised, we're here at the lake. You guys already know. Look at all these dudes right here. Sydney, you having fun? Oh. So right here, dude, I had to turn, these people are probably mad at me because I had to turn the music down, obviously because of copyright, but we're here. Justin's new little freaking jet ski right here, just getting it. How was it?
It's awesome. It's fun.
Better than the McLaren?
No.
Can't even compare, huh?
Can't even compare.
What's up, dude? We got all these cops in the water right here.
No.
Ready to arrest us. Dude, by far, like, the whole riding the jet ski and like shooting into the wave was probably the best thing I've ever done on the surfboard, honestly. That's so sick. So in a little bit, I want to try and then like do it like really, really far, maybe like 100-foot gap or something, and have them just haul ass, and just give me enough like speed to get there. Trying to get rid of this freaking tan right here. Got the tube ready though. I'm gonna try and kill someone today. You ready? This fool's being drunk already.
I have 2020 vibe.
Look at this water right now. It's a little bit choppy. It's actually not bad right here though, but once you get like out there where everybody's at, it's really, really choppy. The sheriff's right there. Oh yeah, dude, someone's definitely gonna die on this thing now. I can't wait to put the GoPro on that. Dude, you guys won't even believe what the hell happened. So we lost the GoPro with a bunch of footage on it, which completely sucks. We had Justin out on the jet ski trying to look for it. He's like literally out there for like an hour. Did you see a wave? He was like,
Hey, comment down and let us know what new camera we should get.
it's a GoPro.
A new one.
We
What
just-
new one?
Taylor, throw me
Hero 25?
The same GoPro. We just need another GoPro. Is all
Hero
we need.
30? I don't know.
Short.
So yeah, we're screwed. No GoPro?
What's that?
No GoPro?
No GoPro.
You looked everywhere?
You guys alright, man?
Over there, over there.
Yeah, GoPro is like completely gone. This sucks, dude. So I'll try and get some
Oh, they're right there.
Hey,
footage
tell-
on this
tell-
camera at
Let
least.
them know we lost the phone, glasses, and the whole
Oh yeah, there's a
Oh,
phone,
these are Jessica's.
glasses,
Oh, here.
and I'm just out here driving a boat.
Thank you.
Just went on the tube, and that's when we lost it. So all the footage from the tube is gone. The footage from me surfing is gone. The footage from him surfing is gone. Everything's gone. Yo, today was definitely not my day, my week. It completely sucked. So we just got back from the lake. I ended up losing, as I told you guys earlier, my GoPro. The GoPro was sitting on the back of the boat, and it is just gone. There's no more GoPro. And then we went out, and the boat broke. So the prop, look at this. It just completely just snapped right off. Like legit, just snapped. I'm trying to get some light on there with my phone. But the prop literally, dude, just snapped off. And it was so loud. Like I said, dude, it was not my day. It was not my week. The McLaren, a flat in Jordan's Range Rover, what else? The freaking CV axle that we thought, but it ended up being something inside of my tire. My GoPro, now the freaking boat. Dude, you gotta be kidding me, dude. But thank you guys so much to everybody that has been subscribing. I truly appreciate you guys so much, dude. I'm so sorry that my first Lake Day vlog had to turn out like this. Really was not expecting that to happen. But I promise you guys a good Lake Day vlog. Dude, all of the content was on the freaking GoPro. Like, oh, dude, that pisses me off. There was a little bit on here that obviously you guys just seen, but completely sucks, dude. And losing the boat completely sucks. Getting it back on the trailer, completely. Getting it back to the dock, to the launch ramp, just completely sucked, dude. Like this whole it was just a mess, man. It was such a mess, but luckily Justin, thanks so much, dude, that he had just bought that jet ski, and I mean, he was a lifesaver there. He pulled my boat literally from like I wouldn't even be able to explain, but it's probably like, I don't know, half a mile or something. Dude, it sucked. It just completely sucked. Well, anyways, hope you guys had a better day than mine. You guys have a great weekend. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you made it this far, if you guys have not subscribed, please smash that subscribe button. I promise you guys, as soon as we get this boat back from it getting fixed, I'll get you guys some wakeboarding in and some good surf time in. Hope you guys did enjoy the content that I was able to get off of this. Gotta go buy another GoPro now. So anyways, always remember, what we think we become. Peace.